Mr. Speaker, I am so grateful and humbled that my leadership chose to once again entrust me with the task of leading the province and realizing their vision. I will try my utmost to live up to the faith reposed in me. I am also indebted to the members of the Provincial Assembly of Sindh who have, for the third consecutive time, elected me to lead them. I pray that Almighty Allah gives me the strength and the wisdom to come up to the expectation of my leadership, my colleagues in this august house, and most importantly, the people of Sindh. I also thank Prime Minister Mia Mohammad Shahbaz Sharif, with whom we have enjoyed a conducive working relationship and whose vision of service delivery aligns with us. I am confident that the Prime Minister will continue to support us as we serve the people. Mr. Speaker, we are all completely aware that the last 5 years have been very challenging, both politically as well as on the economic front for the region in general and Sindh in particular. In early 2020, we were exposed to COVID-19 pandemic. Karachi was faced with the highest ever rainfall in the summer of 2020. The districts of Shahid Benazirabad, Sangha, Mirpur Khas, Badin, Umarkot, and Tharparkar were flooded in the same year due to torrential rains. And so we are all aware that in 2022, floods of unprecedented magnitude severely affected almost two-thirds of our province, resulting in a grave human tragedy. On top of these challenges, we had a borderline hostile government for almost 4 years of our previous tenure. Despite these challenges, we were able to perform. This was due to the resilience of the people of Sindh and the resolve of the provincial government and the leadership of the Pakistan People's Party.